Do you know Stephen Hawking is one of the selected humans whose DNA sequence is stored on an immortality drive? Hello guys, today I will tell you an interesting fact about one of the greatest personality whose contribution in cosmology will always be remembered. Stephen Hawking, a theoretical physicist, cosmologist and author who was a director of research at the Center of Theoretical Cosmology at the University of Cambridge. In this video, we will know what is an immortality drive and how it functions. So let's jump right into the video. In 2008, game developer Richard Garriott developed the Immortality Drive, a sort of digital time capsule on the International Space Station that contains the DNA and genetic codes of a handful of humans. Think of it as a kind of backup disk in case of worldwide calamity. If humans were to be wiped out, this drive exists as a source code for rebooting humanity. The Immortality Drive is a digital archive of mankind's greatest achievements and a snapshot of humanity itself, Garriott says. This archive will be stored on the International Space Station to serve as a remote, off-site backup of humanity. Now, obviously, Stephen Hawking isn't going to be held on the International Space Station forever. But just because he died doesn't mean he can be a blueprint for the next iteration of life on Earth. His genetic code will live forever along with a few others as one of humanity's designated survivors. The list of people whose DNA are stored in the drive as of now is comedian Stephen Colbert, legendary television writer Melvin B. Serra, businessman Kevin Rose and Tim Draper, pro wrestler Matt Morgan, athlete Lance Armstrong, and Playboy model Joe Garcia. The fun fact is that Hawking feared that after humans end, if this code somehow comes into the hands of some intelligent alien species, they can misuse this and enslave us.